Hello, friends. Welcome back to another power packed episode of BNA exclusive podcast, Kaam Ki Baat, with the wonderful stalwarts of BNA exclusive. Today, we have a very dynamic personality who is not only spreading stylish avatars in our BNA exclusive, but the entire region of BNA as well. And not only in India, but also in Middle East, North Africa as well. Thank you so much, Kasak, for being a part of this podcast and accepting the invite for being here as well.
Thank you so much, Gaurav and Pranay, for having me here. It's my honor to be a part of BNI Exclusive and the podcast of BNI Exclusive.
Superb. So let's straight away dive into the questions. People know you about your quality of deliverables, your work as well. But very quickly, how Kasak want to get introduced? Let us start with that.
If you believe in change, then come to me. If you believe in colors, then come to me. And if you believe in standing out, come to me.
Superb. A great start. Change,
Yes,
colors, and standing out. What better way
absolutely.
than to start this podcast on that note?
Right.
Kasat, we always speak about fashion. It has been spoken a lot. But what do you feel in women's apparel? What are the latest trends that retailers should pay attention to?
So, when we're talking about women apparel, we're talking about two different segments of women apparel, the age wise, right? There is this Gen Z age that has come in, and then there is millennials like us, and the alphas who have been there. And the millennials and alphas stick to one category, but the Gen Zs and their trends are it's a total different ball game, right? So as a retailer, I think, and even though I run a store today, I think it is very important. The first and the foremost thing that I have to keep in mind is the color palettes for both the categories, the patterns, where the millennials like us or the ones who are above us, we do believe in certain patterns and certain designs, but the Gen Zs, they want it more subtle, more simple, more elegant, right? And of course, being size inclusive in today's era, right? There was a time when I've been a plus size since my childhood, right? And I still remember getting the double XL at that time was so difficult, where I had to get fabrics and get stuff stitched for myself. But today, as a retailer, I need to see that I'm also serving an XS, but then I'm also serving a 3XL and a 4XL. And if I'm able to cater to these segments, I think I've covered up the maximum things that one person is looking forward in a shop or in a store.
Right. So one I could take away is the size inclusiveness. Second is
Yes.
the range as well, which probably
Right.
the retailers can focus considering the various generations and the demand
Right.
of the market too. Right?
Yes, absolutely.
Great.
Kasak, you mentioned about the design and everything. So coming to the next question is, how do you handle, or manage the production which is there in the season which is there? Because this is something which is very difficult to manage. So how do you manage this in this fashion industry?
So, if I'm not mistaken, what you're trying to ask me is a particular season has a particular fashion trend. How
Right,
do I
right,
manage this?
right,
Oh, well, for this, if I have to manage a particular season, like we just pass by winters, right? And
right,
November, December, and Jan are my wedding seasons. Now, if I start catering to my November, December in October, doesn't work. If I have to sustain my wedding season, I need to start planning for it from the month of Feb and March. And if I am planning for Feb and March, which means I am also planning it in December and Jan and maybe November. You understand? It has to be pre
right,
planning. Hence,
right,
as soon as the year starts, we have to be very focused about what are we looking at the entire year. Like I mentioned, the color palettes, the designs, everything. And Indian culture, if you've seen this, a huge culture. Everybody has different, every state has a different culture, right? And we have to keep and adapt to it and understand what colors are we going to play with. So if today I've come in Jan, for my next winter collection, I will start planning for it in March so that I don't have difficulty in December, and I'm alongside also doing my other customers' work.
So that's a very interesting take. What we see at the facade level in the fashion industry, there is too much of pre-planning, strategy work involved, and that too probably starting from the year. Say November, December is the peak time, so you start planning much well in advance,
Much
right?
prior, yes, because in between we have to keep selling to our walk-in customers as well, right? So it has to be pre-planning what is it that I want in my, so my stock is always ready by October for my wedding season or for the winter collections. It is just not like in a jiffy हमने plan किया और वो हो गया, वो नहीं होता है.
And I must tell you, I mean, to the viewers out there, Kasak is very much known for not only her just-in-time delivery, but before delivery, before
Yes,
time delivery. So,
yes,
जो इस इंडस्ट्री का बहुत बड़ा पेन है, लोग हमेशा कंप्लेन करते हैं, भाई मेरा पहुंचा नहीं टाइमली, मैम ये
right.
क्यों नहीं हो रहा टाइमली, मुझे आज पार्टी में जाना है, आज सुबह तक दे दो. So that without planning, I'm pretty sure ये सब possible भी नहीं है.
एब्सोल्युटली, बिकॉज गौरव पता है होता क्या, जब लोग आते हैं और कुछ ऑर्डर देते हैं, एटलीस्ट मेरे स्टोप इन विद मी एंड माय पार्टनर, अगर हमें लगता है कि इसके बियॉन्ड वी कांट डू, वी हम्बली अपोलोजाइज. हम लोग वो ऑर्डर लेते ही नहीं है कि एक कस्टमर मेरा लास्ट सेकंड तक, द निक ऑफ द मिनट, राइट, वो टेंशन में है, बिकॉज अगेन वो फिटिंग इशू अगर आ गया, इट इज माय लॉस, because I will not have that customer come back to me.
Yes.
So we plan our entire day. Like even today, I have that weekly schedule fixed. कि इधर ये है.
Right.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday मुझे ये डिलीवरी करनी है, and अगर मुझे next Monday कोई डिलीवरी करनी है, and I'm running out of time, I will open it on a Sunday.
Super.
But
Super.
I will do my deliveries.
मुझे एक और चीज बताओ, जस्ट एज अ फॉलो अप. सो ये प्लानिंग वगैरह हमने कर लिया स्टॉक काइंड ऑफ थिंग के लिए, बट जो फसाड लेवल में जो आप लोग पोजीशन करते हो एज अ ब्रांड अपने आप को, सो फॉर अस अ सक्सेसफुल मार्केटिंग स्ट्रेटेजी एक फैशन ब्रांड की क्या होनी चाहिए?
Your customer testimonials, I believe, when your customers start talking about you, mere liye, I see people, of course, a lot of marketing goes into photo shoots and everything, but what has worked for me is me, myself, my confidence, and my customers. When they wear Styfash, I know there are 4 more people coming back, and nothing better than that. And of course, building up that bond day on day with my customers and getting out there in public talking, because till the time I am not adapted to the fashion and everything, and people come and talk to me, my confidence is my marketing skill today. Of course, then you have this Instas and Facebooks where you are constantly putting, but you've seen the market, you've seen and you've been there, Gaurav. I'm sure even though if you're not from this industry, हर जगह, हर नुक एंड कॉर्नर पे एक फैशन डिजाइनर बैठा है.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल,
हर नुक एंड कॉर्नर,
हर
एंड
घर पे राधर
कंपटीशन टू अनदर लेवल है, यू नो. तो अगर आपने वो एग्जीबिशंस में और हर जगह अपने आप को यू पुट फॉरवर्ड योर सेल्फ, एंड आपका, लाइक यू मेंशन इन द बिगिनिंग, आपके फैब्रिक्स, आपके डिलीवरीज, एंड मोर ओवर द पॉकेट साइज, द पॉकेट पिंच, if the customer is seeing that what I'm selling is worth it, it's coming back. So, but in a way, yes, exhibitions play a major role because people want to see, feel. Even today, when we're in a era where everything is online, but when it comes to clothing, people still want to touch the fabric and see the fabric, right?
तो आई कैन से सेफली कि ये एक हाइब्रिड स्ट्रैटेजी है. आप ऑनलाइन भी फोकस करते हो एंड ऑफलाइन भी करते हो, एंड मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंटली ऑथेंटिक कनेक्शन डेवलप होता है जब एक टेस्टिमोनियल्स आता है. सो people can relate, like how other people are looking in the kind of attire which Styfash is producing. And
Right.
one more observation, I mean, correct me if I'm wrong. I've seen that you do not work with too many influencers. Rather, your customers in tune become your influencer.
Yes. So
Is that a conscious strategy?
yes, it is, because honestly, Gaurav, you all know that my forte is customization, and me being plus size, my focus is totally on the plus size women as well, right? And we don't have many influencers who are into that plus size. And today, I want to show the world that what a size zero, size large XL can wear. Maybe rectify the outfit a bit according to the size, but I feel today even I can wear, and probably a size 9XL can wear. So the photo shoots that I do as well are from the ladies who are like housewives, and different color skin tones, I mean, and different sizes. I've myself done a photo shoot because when I show the world that what I can wear, they feel that confidence that yes, today even they can wear. When I talk about size inclusivity, I genuinely want to, plead people to understand that there are women out there who also need to look good. They can't just wear random clothes and just walk on the streets and go to parties, right? They also like to dress up. So yes, I am an influencer for my store, and so are my people, and their testimonies really work wonders for my store.
Super.
So, Kasak, coming to what you have said, what is something you would like to tell to the viewers? How do you build such strong relationships with your clients or with your retailers? So, maybe 3 points, if you would just like to say, how do you make strong relationships with your client?
See, Gaurav, see, Pranay, it takes time. It takes years to build this relationship with anybody. But अगर जैसे गौरव ने पहले भी mention किया, आपका relationship पहले तो आपके attitude से. You can't be arrogant no matter how much you've earned, no matter how much you've grown over the years. अगर आप grounded हैं and you respect no matter who's sitting in front of you, makes a lot of difference. Number two, like I was talking, what Gaurav had mentioned was आपकी fabric quality and your time of delivery, commitment level has to be there. Number three, you should be जो मैंने शुरू में मेंशन किया कि आपको ट्रेंड के साथ चलना है, और आपको वो नॉलेज होनी चाहिए कि आपकी दोनों कैटेगरीज को क्या चाहिए. If you're well aware, again awareness, so the confidence is built by your retailer कि इस इंसान को पता है कि what they want and what is today's fashion like and trend like. I think you've won hearts already.
Very, very
एक
well
और
said,
चीज,
Kasak.
या प्लीज प्रणय, गो अहेड.
Yeah. So, as you mentioned about the trend, अभी जो सबसे एक चीज आता है फैशन इंडस्ट्री में, the idea theft which is there. So, how do you handle the idea theft which is there in this fashion industry?
So yes, thefts होते हैं, and again I will mention my forte is customization, and though हम इस चीज को नहीं मानते and we don't like, कि the designs are being copied and everything, but Gaurav and Pranay, you all need to understand not everybody can go to an XYZ designer and splurge a 7 lakh plus or a 10 lakh plus outfit, right? So we as designers and we as people who we are designers, we have our own designs, but we also do customizations, and we do have customers who want to wear the same things probably for a particular occasion or their anniversaries or weddings, right? So ये होता है, नहीं होना चाहिए, but public demand होती है, and अगर आप एक no बोलते हो, two no बोलते हो, you lose out on a lot of customers. So hence, at least I will say this, I do go forward with it. I do a certain changes, exactly same नहीं करते, but approximately 70% copy होता है. But yes, I would always say that people should not do this, but you cannot stop this. ये ज्वेलरी में भी होता है. अगर आप देखो, when आप कोई पिक्चर्स होती है, कोई वेडिंग्स होती है, अंबानी वेडिंग्स हुई थी अभी recently, and the jewelry they wore, it took just 15 to 20 days and the jewelry का copies were out, because not everyone can afford to splurge crores on it. So I think it's fair for people who can't spend. I
इसको
know
एक
I'm
और
going to
चीज से
keep.
देखा जा सकता है कि इसका फ्लिप साइड ये कि हर बंदा अपने मन का पहन पा रहा है. सो बिकॉज ऑफ you guys are
Yes,
making it accessible for everyone out there.
right, right.
So another word which is often used nowadays, I'm keeping on hearing, is fast fashion. तो मुझे ये समझाओ कि एक टाइमलेस फैशन पीसेस जो होते हैं और जो फास्ट फैशन आइटम्स होते हैं, इन दोनों में मेजरली क्या डिफरेंस है इन शॉर्ट, एंड स्टाइल फैश किस में डील करता है?
So I will start with this. Stylish does not really believe in fast fashion. ठीक है, बिकॉज वो आता है और वो जाता है. आपने एक मूवी देख लिया, एक गाना देख लिया, एक डिजाइनर को और एक सेलिब्रिटी को कुछ पहनते हुए देख लिया. It comes in, but it goes out because Gen Zs are bored of it. But what is timeless is the saris, the anarkalis, the culture of India. Gaurav, are you with me?
Yeah, we are with you.
Yes, very
Yeah,
much.
so
Very
Gaurav
much.
is stuck. Yeah. So the culture of India, you know, I stick to it. I stick to the grounds because I know it's not going anywhere. Gaurav, आप पूरा हिस्ट्री देख लो पीछे का. एक फैशन आता है बट इट जस्ट फेड्स आउट. But what stays is our culture, and even the Gen Zs, you know, when उनके फेयरवेल्स होते हैं, वेडिंग्स होती हैं, कुछ भी होती है, they come back to जो हमारे ग्राउंड है. सो आई ऑलवेज कीप माई सेल्फ देयर बिकॉज इवेंचुअली आप फास्ट फैशन में इन्वेस्ट करते हो, आप प्रोडक्शन करते हो, एंड बाय द टाइम आपका प्रोडक्शन होता है एंड सेल होता है, द फैशन इज ऑफ. So I play a little safe here.
Kasak, we just mentioned in the very beginning that this is a very challenging kind of a business because everyone is getting into fashion industry. So what is
Right.
your advice to someone who wants to start a women's apparel brand today in, say, Calcutta or maybe in India?
सो व्हेन आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट कैलकटा, अगर आप कैलकटा में स्टार्ट करने मांग रहे हैं, पहले एक बार अपना पूरा सर्वे कर लीजिए. बिकॉज हर सिटी, हर टाउन, हर स्टेट का रिक्वायरमेंट इज़ वेरी डिफरेंट. आई एम अ दिल्ली गर्ल एंड दिल्ली फैशन इज़ वेरी डिफरेंट फ्रॉम कैलकटा फैशन. आई हैव बीन टू मुंबई एंड मुंबई फैशन इज़ वेरी डिफरेंट. आपको ये सर्वे करके रखना पड़ेगा व्हाट women want. If you're getting into women apparel, men का अलग होता है. What women want in that particular city. If you're starting an apparel store, remember that you have a good setup. When I today, Kasak Chandirani from Styfash Pattern Couture commits to do on-point delivery or maybe before delivery because I have a proper setup. I have the masters in place. I have my dyers in place. Get everything ready. Just don't go कि हम लोग कर लेंगे, बाहर से करवा लेंगे. It doesn't work. It becomes even more expensive for you all. And even if you're not a fashion student and you've not done fashion designing, it's okay. As far as you understand the mentality of people and what they're looking for and how to live with the trend, you can. So just live today, think about future a bit, and go, and I think it'll play well with you guys.
So, when we talk about starting a women's brand, so why don't you also talk about any of the business mistake which these women entrepreneurs should not make? ऐसा कोई हो, शायद आपका कोई प्रायर लेसन हो जो आपने सीखा हो, which you would
तो
happily.
गौरव, yes, मैंने जब स्टार्ट किया था, मैंने सब कुछ एक साथ कर दिया था. आई वांटेड टू गेट इनटू हर चीज. टेक इट स्लो. You were starting, take it slow, let people understand your designs because they will be mistakes when you are starting up, right? What I did when I began, and I learned it quite soon actually, मैंने बहुत जल्दी सीख लिया था मेरी गलती को. मैंने सब कुछ एक साथ कर लिया था. सूट्स भी कर लिया था, साड़ीज भी कर लिया था, पुट इसका डिजाइन इधर, उसका डिजाइन. सो इट हैड बिकम अ कमोशन. आप crowded place जैसा हो जाता है, it had become like that. But then I learned what my customers are actually looking at. I started understanding the mindsets of my customers. And that is when, because आप अपनी thinking से designing करते हो और एक thinking होती है आपके customers की need की. When I started designing according to my customers' needs and how they were thinking, Gaurav, my sales were 3x to my first year.
Wow. Hearing what the customer says and what they need is
Yeah.
probably the biggest lesson for every entrepreneur out there. Super.
Right.
So, Kasak, one question it always comes in my mind is how do you manage so many things in your life? उसका एक क्या राज है, आप क्या बताना चाहेंगे व्यूअर्स को?
How do I manage so much? And I'm sure you're here talking about how I also manage BNI with so much.
Right, right.
Um, Pranay, the first and the foremost, अगर आपका family का support नहीं है, and I know it sounds very cliche, but trust me, agar family ka support nahi hai, you can't do anything. I did fight my own battles to be here today where I am, but my husband has been my biggest support. My elder daughter, who's now 18, she grew up at no time and she was like, Mama, just go ahead and do it. And then, yes, I have a partner with me whose name is Anisha Jaiswal, and who takes care of all the production and what is happening in house. And I take care of all the marketing and the PR, which I said, to building of the bonds with the women. Because being a woman, I know hamara mind, we tend to go to 10 different places, but if you want a woman to get stuck to you, you have to create that relationship and that bond with that person, that they're not going anywhere. So I do all the PR, Bharka. And if you're talking about BNI, BNI ka support, to it is crazy, it is insane. I would do anything to be a part of this forum.
Right. So, I mean, when we speak about BNI, we cannot forget to speak about our own BNI exclusive. What has BNI exclusive done to Kasak?
What has BNI exclusive done to Kasak? Well, BNI exclusive has made Kasak. अगर BNI exclusive नहीं होता तो Kasak आज BNI में नहीं होती. And let me tell you, we have the stalwart in our chapter called Vikram Gupta, and you have also interviewed him. And I still remember Vikram telling me a couple of months back, Kasak, what I saw you back then and what you are today, there's a huge difference. And this is what BNI Exclusive has done to me, because agar ye online chapter nahi hota hamare paas, at that point, the fights that I was fighting for my work and everything, मैं शायद BNI join नहीं कर पाती, and I wouldn't have come this far. The members are so loving, so supportive, so caring. आप उनसे कुछ भी बोलो, they are there. And when you have a family which is supporting you and trusting you by the face, forget Abhi coming to my store. I know, Gaurav, today if you want something and if I suggest you something, I know you trust me so much, Gaurav, that you would just say, Kasak bhej de. And I've had people like that, Kasak bhej de, and you would not question me twice. So जब ये ट्रस्ट आपको आपके चैप्टर मेंबर से मिलता है ना, ये कॉन्फिडेंस जब आपको मिल जाता है ना, आई थिंक यू वन द वॉर एंड देन यू आर ऑल आउट इन द वर्ल्ड. So yes, my journey from exclusive has been just so super amazing.
Wow. So, I mean, definitely, hands on my heart, I can say BNI exclusive is no doubt our extended family. And whatever we are, I mean, it's a transition, it's a journey for each of the entrepreneurs who is associated with this pack of, loving family members, caring for each other. And as you rightly pointed out, the two AM buddies, right? So, koi bhi problem ho, be it
Anytime
celebration or anything, you can, all are available for each other.
Absolutely. And when when you have this set of people, na, the comfort zone that you come in, na, forget everything. आपको जब ये comfort zone मिल जाता है ना, आप खुद prosper करने लग जाते हो. The right thing, when you know you're in a safe zone. If you are in a zone where you're insecure, when you're not sure of yourself, Gaurav, आप कभी grow नहीं करोगे. But when you have the safest zone, आप खुद देखोगे कि you'll start prospering. Because you have people to back you even when you fall. When you have people to give that hand to you and say, Kasak, it's okay, you will be able to do it. And they lift you up. I think you've just done wonders. And that's what Exclusive has done to me.
Thank you so much, Kasak, for being with us today. It was real pleasure talking to you. It has always been. And, let us again prove what a brand from a city of joy can do to the world and what BNI Exclusive family can do as a small change as well to the entire fraternity. Thank you again for being a very gracious guest, accepting our invitation and answering those questions.
Thank you so much.